What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Like I mentioned yesterday, we are taking off to go and potentially trade Braven's Integra for something else. It's actually quite a ways away from the house, so it's gonna be one hell of a journey. He's gonna be driving the Stance Boy Integra on the freeway. I get to take the Tequacha truck over here, coming to a bump stop near you. Yeah, you guys will see this on Braven's channel eventually. Just so you know, Braven has a bunch of footage. He's been recording videos, he just hasn't been editing them to put them up. You'll see it eventually. He lowered his truck, but this thing is sitting on bump stops, bro. So yeah, this is gonna be a fun journey. Hopefully I don't get seasick. Well, I guess it's a done deal, huh?
Yeah, it is.
You guys getting all your stuff? Well, say goodbye to the Integra. I know you guys didn't see this thing much on my channel, but it was definitely a pretty big part of Braven's life for a little bit.
Yeah, it was.
You've done a lot of work to this thing. It was doomed to be just parted out in someone's backyard out in Tucson.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, the person he got this from literally bought this car for the one-piece headlights. And as you guys know, Braven put an engine in this. He's done all kinds of work to clean it up and get it back on the road. So now it's off to a new home. It's a done deal. Going home with a brand new CRV, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, that thing is freaking clean. Look at this boy over here thumping, man. What is this shit? This guy. Bro, come with a subwoofer?
Come with a full system, man.
Dude.
Daily driver, man.
What the hell? Yep, so a deal went through, so now we're twinsies. We both got CRVs. Just Braven's is in a little bit better condition than mine.
Mine just needs more low and that's it.
Yeah, bro, you just need to lower this thing. So now you got two daily drivers, man.
I got two dailies, bro.
Dude, it's got fresh window tint, even the front windshield is tinted. So I'm starting to learn that like all CRVs have stupid clean ass interior for whatever reason, but I will say the interior is in really great shape. Hell friggin' yeah, bro. Yeah, this thing's clean, dude. You ready for this journey back home?
Nah, we're getting food first.
Oh.
We're gonna get some food.
Where at? I don't even know where we're at, bro.
Yeah, I don't know where we're at.
Yeah, may as well just go to Wendy's. It's right there. Well, we're back at the house, man, and as you guys seen, the deal went through. It's crazy. Like, definitely gonna miss the DB1.
Yeah, definitely gonna miss it. But I like the new car.
So it's got a full stereo system, Viper alarm, how the air conditioning feel?
Cold, bro.
Dude, it's really got ice cold AC.
It's cold AC, bro.
Like immaculate interior. You guys know CRVs, but go ahead. It's a freaking remote start.
How about that?
Dude, what the hell? I'm not gonna lie, this thing, like you went from like your daily basically being the truck, which is, the truck is still a daily.
Yeah.
But like that was your nicer vehicle.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, bro, I think this is nicer than your truck. Like you just need to hit up MaxPeedingRods, bro, and get some more low on this,
yeah,
and that's about it. Got like brand new tires.
I'll get the JDM mirrors and then the wing and then
This guy. Wow. Alright, you son of a bitch. What the? Alright, we'll snap back into reality, man. We got some work to get done today. Braven's definitely super excited. It's an exciting thing getting a new vehicle, especially one in such great shape, dude. That's a really nice CRV. So, returning back to my dang old CRV, we got some painting to do on this thing. Well, don't really need to, I just want to. I'm wanting to improve the appearance of this thing a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Make it look a little bit more presentable. I mean, I know we've like cut it all up and turned it into like this off-roading freaking rig or whatever you want to call it, but there ain't no sense in why it can't be a little bit more presentable, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so I'm going to be hitting the obvious stuff, this door trim, you know, the same stuff that we paint on all of our vehicles. Be doing the side molding, because the side molding, like, we've done the heat treatment and stuff on it. I'm just over it. I just want to black it out. I'm also going to be doing the bumpers, but I'm going to do those separate. After we get everything on the CRV done, pull it out, and then I'll just spray the bumpers. I also want to do the wheel wells, just to clean it up, you know what I'm saying? Make it a little bit more presentable. Now, you guys know damn well I wasn't going to keep this thing chrome, right? That right there is probably the most important thing to get blacked out on this thing right now, because that is driving me freaking nuts. Oh yeah, I'm also going to be hitting the that primer job that we did back here, because I'm just tired of looking at it. Alright, I need to go buy more rags for like painting and stuff, because I'm completely out. But I'm going to be using a paper towel because it's at least clean. And some acetone. I'm going to wipe this thing down really good first before we start sanding it. Alright, now I'm going to take my 150 grit and I'm just going to sand the living shit out of that thing. Try to get rid of the shine as much as I can so that our primer will actually stick to it. stuff painted last night, bro. I don't know if I have gotten absolutely everything, but I'm pretty sure it's close as far as murdering this thing out. I've always wanted to do this to something, but I've never did it. I got the bumpers all blacked out. I blacked out the entire grill. Gonna go ahead and get these things installed. I was looking at the CRV this morning whenever the sun came up and I was able to see it during the day, and bro, it looks night and day difference now that everything is just all blacked out on it. Well, I mean, it's pretty close, bro. I think what we have left now is I need to tint these headlights for sure. We have chrome lug nuts. I mean, technically, to be fully murdered out, everything has to be black, right? I'm probably not gonna worry about the lug nuts. Windshield wipers definitely need to be sprayed. I should have freaking pulled those off and sprayed them with everything else. I would like to have the tint redone, maybe. I don't know. Looking at the side, bro, like everything is black. I am gonna put the side skirts back on. We'll have to paint that. Tail lights need to be tinted. I pulled the Honda badge off. I gotta paint it black and then we'll put it back on. I need to black out this CRV badge or just take it off. I'd rather it be there just painted black. That damn spare tire, most certainly. I'm sorry there, buddy. You're just killing my vibe. All right, so yeah, on the back, we got the tail lights that obviously need to be tinted. And then, of course, whoever did the tint last was lazy as hell. The badge, we're gonna paint the Honda badge, put it back. Bro, I even sprayed the exhaust, the muffler. Don't at me, bro, don't at me. I don't give a shit. All right, so I wanted to get this thing out of the house, man. You guys know how I do. Want to get it out in the open so we could actually see this freaking thing. But I was trying to clean the windows and, dude, these windows are so freaking bad. I had like nothing at the house. I had no Windex, nothing. So ran by the good old Home Depot. I grabbed some of this steel wool. If you look it up, man, this is what they recommend you using on glass. And I've done it before. I know somebody's gonna put it in the comments like, bro, you shouldn't be doing that. Stuff works really good for getting like water stains and overspray. I ain't gonna lie, I got some overspray on my glass. So, and I grabbed a spray bottle of Windex. So I'm gonna clean these windows really quick. Go ahead and saturate this damn thing. Oh, come on. Let me turn you on, baby. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Grab your steel wool. It's funny watching people drive by whenever you have a camera in your hand and you're doing anything out in public, bro. They just stare at you like, I don't know, in today's society, bro, like for you to find it abnormal for someone to be recording themselves out in public, I feel like is more abnormal than me filming myself in public. And just as abnormal as me calling it filming, right? Since being this camera most certainly don't have any film in it. But you guys know what I mean. But you know what else don't have any film on it? Is that freaking window. Good Lord, boy. All right, I got like 15 more to do. I'll be back with you.